Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the apps. So as you can see, they are on the third position. Now let's tap on see all 64 apps, of course 64 in my case, no worries. And now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter reset up preferences, and as you can see here, our device is informing us what it will actually do. So it will reset and the preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, and background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.